Hello ninjas, welcome back again. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to pick up the signature from an image that you want and put it in another image with changing the color as well, from this to this using Photoshop. So let's jump into it. Okay guys, once you have your image, go to channels, select the red one. So why did we select the red one? Because it's the dominant color on the picture. Let's continue. Go to image, choose adjustments, select curves, and follow the process. Click OK. Go to red channel. Hold the control and left click on it to make it selected. Go to object selection. Right click on the picture. Select inverse. Go back to layers. Hide this one. Go down. Choose solid color. Then choose the color that you want. Sounds cool. Here you go.